Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Pinterest, how to comment with stickers on a pin. This updated method makes your interactions more fun and engaging. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your account to access all the features. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, where you can explore a variety of pins. Next, find the pin you want to comment on. You can scroll through your feed or use the search function at the top of the screen to locate a specific pin that catches your eye. Once you've found it, tap on the pin to open it up for more details. Now that you're viewing the pin, look for the comments section. Tap on it to see what others have said and to add your own thoughts. This is where the fun begins. To add a sticker to your comment, click on the sticker icon located in the comment box. This icon usually looks like a smiley face or a square with a smiley inside it. When you tap this icon, you'll be presented with a variety of stickers to choose from. Once you've clicked on the sticker icon, browse through the available options. Pinterest offers a range of stickers, from emojis to themed graphics that can enhance your comment. When you find one that fits your mood or message perfectly, simply tap on it. Finally, after selecting your sticker, make sure to click Post to share your comment with the sticker attached. Your friends and followers will see your creative touch when they check out that pin. And there you have it. Commenting with stickers on Pinterest is a simple yet effective way to express yourself and engage with content in a vibrant manner. So go ahead and try it out. Your comments will stand out like never before. Happy pinning!